Are you looking for the best portable Bluetooth speakers? In this video we will look at some of the best portable Bluetooth speakers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. JBL Boombox 3 Portable Speaker. The JBL Boombox 3 is the best portable Bluetooth speaker we've tested. This mid-size speaker is a little larger than the other picks on our list, but it's a fair trade-off if you want the best possible sound. Thanks to its heftier build, this speaker reproduces a deeper and more extended low bass, so you really feel the rumble in bass-heavy genres like EDM and hip-hop. The rest of the range is quite balanced, so you get clear and accurate voices and instruments in the mix. Plus, its 3-band graphic EQ lets you customize its sound. Thanks to its built-in handle, this speaker can easily move from room to room. It's even rated IP67 for dust and water resistance, so you can take it outside, and with an almost 30-hour battery life, it easily lasts through long days on the go. Music lovers and audiophiles alike will want to look at this standout speaker, but if you're looking for something more lightweight with a more immersive sound, it's worth checking out the Bose SoundLink Max instead. The Bose can get louder, though there's a fair bit more compression as you crank the volume. Users who prefer a marathon battery life will find that its 15-hour battery life doesn't cut it compared to the JBL's impressive 30 hours, though. Number 2. Ultimate Ears EPICBOOM Portable Speaker. The Ultimate Ears EPICBOOM is another portable Bluetooth speaker that is offered at a more affordable price. You'll notice that Ultimate Ears speakers make up a few of our picks in this article due to their compact, user-friendly designs that facilitate great directivity. This speaker is no exception, and its portable design makes it suitable for listening at home or while out and about. It's a little on the heavier side, but its built-in strap helps you transport it wherever you go. Plus, it's sturdy, with an IP67 rating for dust and water resistance to protect it against the elements, and you can get it in either black or white color variants. As for the sound, this speaker has many features to make the most of your listening experience. Its adaptive EQ feature automatically adjusts the device's sound to your room's unique acoustics, which is a nice touch, and its graphic EQ and presets let you perform some manual tuning. However, compared to the more premium JBL Boombox 3, it doesn't reproduce as much low bass. Its 15-hour battery life isn't quite as impressive and may be limiting for longer trips away. If you need something slightly more portable with a longer battery life, it's worth checking out the Ultimate Ears EverBoom instead. It can't get as loud, though, and lacks a bit of low-end thump compared to the EPICBOOM. Number 3. Sony SRS-XB100 Portable Speaker. The Sony SRS-XB100 is an incredibly small speaker. In fact, it's one of the smallest we've tested. This portable Bluetooth speaker is lightweight enough to bring with you wherever you go, and its included strap makes it easy to attach to your bag or wrist. Plus, it boasts an IP67 rating for dust and water resistance, and it can float in water, which is great if you want to take it to the pool. It's also available in a few different colors to fit your style. This speaker's size means its sound quality isn't quite as impressive as our top picks, but that might be a fair trade-off if you want something small and portable. It's still suitable for listening to most music genres, albeit with less rumble in the low bass with genres like EDM. Unlike the Ultimate Ears WonderBoom 4, it has to downmix stereo content into mono to play it back, which isn't ideal for music lovers. Still, for its size, it does a solid job. Unlike more expensive picks on this list, it doesn't support multi-device pairing or have an EQ to tweak its sound. If those features are important to you, consider the Mini Rig 4. Unfortunately, the Mini Rig costs quite a bit more than the Sony, and there are no buttons on it for either the play/pause or skip track functions. The Sony also has a higher IP rating, so is a better choice if you're looking for a speaker to accompany you on the backwoods trails. Number 4. Sonos Roam 2 Portable Speaker. The Sonos Roam 2nd Generation white portable waterproof Bluetooth speaker transforms every moment into a rich and immersive experience. Whether you are relaxing at home, enjoying a walk outdoors, or spending time at the beach, it brings music to life in a way that energizes your surroundings. The clarity and depth of sound make every song feel personal, creating a sense of connection and emotional resonance that ordinary speakers cannot achieve. Its portability allows you to carry music effortlessly wherever you go, turning quiet moments into enjoyable escapes and ordinary gatherings into lively experiences. The waterproof design gives confidence to explore without worry, letting you focus entirely on enjoyment and making memories. Each note resonates clearly, enhancing moods and adding energy to every environment. This speaker brings people together, making shared experiences more memorable while providing a private retreat when desired. It encourages relaxation, celebration, and creativity by transforming the atmosphere with its presence. The Sonos Roam 2nd Generation White Portable Waterproof Bluetooth Speaker is more than a device, it is a lifestyle companion that enriches daily life. It turns spaces into inviting environments filled with sound, emotion, and joy, making every day more vibrant, every outing more exciting, and every moment a little more extraordinary through the power of music. Number 5. Klipsch Groove XXL Portable Speaker. The Klipsch Groove XXL Portable Bluetooth Speaker brings a new level of excitement and energy to every environment, turning simple moments into memorable experiences. Whether you are hosting friends, enjoying a quiet evening at home, or exploring the outdoors, this speaker fills the space with rich, immersive sound that transforms the atmosphere. Music becomes more than just background noise, it becomes a companion that enhances mood, inspires movement, and strengthens connections. Its portability allows you to carry music wherever life takes you, creating a sense of freedom and spontaneity. Every beat resonates clearly, bringing songs to life in a way that evokes emotion and adds depth to everyday experiences. Sharing music with loved ones becomes effortless, turning gatherings into celebrations and ordinary moments into joyful memories. The speaker also creates a feeling of confidence and comfort, knowing that wherever you go, your sound will remain vibrant and powerful. Its presence enhances any environment, making spaces feel alive, inviting, and full of energy. The Klipsch Groove XXL Portable Bluetooth Speaker is not just a device, it is an experience that elevates daily life. It transforms surroundings into immersive audio landscapes, makes social gatherings more exciting, and turns ordinary days into moments filled with joy, energy, and connection through the power of music.